Well, hi there, everybody, and good Monday morning to you. Happy Memorial Day to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Monday morning, and a lot of you I know will be off of work today. And overall, pretty good day if you have plans. Of course, a lot of Memorial Day services going on, and so people are, of course, going to want to watch the weather and see what's going to happen. Well, for the most part, I expect dry conditions this morning. That's when the majority of Memorial Day services take place, is during the morning hours. I expect a dry morning. That could change towards the afternoon hours as we continue in this weather pattern we have been in for several days now. These spotty showers and storms popping up. They slowly drift through the area and then diminish. That is expected again as we go through the day today. So again, very tough to predict who's going to get a chance of precipitation, who's not. So everybody pretty much about a 40 to 50% chance of some spotty showers and weak non-severe thunderstorms. Not expecting severe weather. That's been the nice thing about this weather pattern, is that some people have picked up some nice rains, and we haven't had much for any kind of severe weather at all. That will eventually change, but at least for the next couple of days, this weather pattern continues. Heading through the evening and overnight hours tonight, we'll keep that chance around through about midnight, and then I think after that, the chances of precipitation really diminish pretty quickly. So by tomorrow morning, waking up to maybe some patchy fog, but more than likely not. A few clouds lingering, and then tomorrow, a very similar situation. Temperature is going to be on the warm side out there, a little bit humid, partly cloudy skies, and by the afternoon, some more showers and thunderstorms are going to be possible, kind of the spotty variety again, especially this time I think the farther east you go. It's less of a chance compared to what we'll have today, and this may be the last of these chances as that upper level low to our south starts to move away from us just a bit. It's been taking its time doing so, which is why we've had so many days like this with these spotty showers and thunderstorms. So highs for today, low to mid 80s up north, and again, everybody I include in this chance of some spotty showers and thunderstorms. Mid 80s out towards the west, pretty much the rest of us looking at mid 80s for afternoon highs. So overall, a warm afternoon, a little bit humid out there. This weather pattern when it comes to the temperature trend will continue over the next several days to come. You see 80s in our forecast all the way through the next 7 days. No big fluctuations, which means no big cold fronts coming through. Overnight lows low to mid 60s. After Tuesday, it looks like a chance to dry out. Wednesday and Thursday, more than likely, going to remain dry. Maybe a small chance of precipitation in the far east or southeast on Wednesday and Thursday, but I think most of us will see dry conditions. Friday, it's only a small chance of precipitation as a new system develops out towards our west, and so I think western parts of the viewing area have the best chance on Friday. Heading into Saturday, I think a much better chance we would see some showers and some thunderstorms, especially by the afternoon hours. And that will continue into the evening hours. A few strong, maybe severe thunderstorms not out of the question Saturday, but Sunday is a day I'm kind of eyeing a little bit more, as there is more potential, and I do want to stress the word potential, for a better chance of some severe weather on Sunday. A pattern we have been out of for several days now, really several weeks now, since the big event on May 11th, Mother's Day. So we will have to watch June 1st, Sunday, for that chance, and it seems like it's been the spring so far, spring of Sunday severe weather. That's when we've seen most of our days with severe weather, on Sundays. So again, just kind of keep an eye on the forecast, as this could, of course, change. This is not set in stone by any means, but it is a day I am going to be watching fairly closely here as we start to approach it, to see if the severe weather chance does hold tough, because it would be the first time of maybe more widespread severe weather that we've seen in several weeks, and that may even roll into early next week on Monday as well. So we'll keep an eye on all that as it gets a little bit closer, but one thing is for sure, and that's going to feel a little more summer-like out there with a lot of 80s, some humidity with dew points in the 60s, those overnight lows only in the 60s, and some good weather as we kind of unofficially start summertime here after this Memorial Day. So that is your weather forecast for today. Of course, if you are going to be remembering our fallen soldiers today, just remember morning, dry afternoon, chance of some spotty showers and some thunderstorms. So until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Happy Memorial Day.